So my friend didn't study for exam, and I saw him coming from masjid and praying so that he can pass the exam. And that was his only hope. Usually this person don't go to the masjid. So I laughed at that. Is this considered mocking Islam?
No, this is not mocking Islam, but it was inappropriate because one day you will also be in his shoes. When a person is in distress, there is nowhere for him to go other than towards Allah Azza wa Jal. There's no one to help him or assist him other than Allah. So when he turns to Allah to help him pass the test, you laugh of that? This is sinful from your side, because one day you will need Allah Azza wa Jal, and actually we do need Allah 24 hours, 7 days a week, and we have no one to turn to other than Him. So why would that be a cause of laughter? There is no kufr in that, but it is sinful, and Allah knows best.